Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. So in this particular video, we are going to be looking at an underrated indicator. Well, it is an effective indicator though, and it can give you an edge in the markets. And that indicator we're going to be looking at is the RMI Trend Sniper. Okay, so before we get into the video proper, do me a quick favor, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a trading strategy breakdown like this one. Now let us get started. Okay, if you are looking for a tool that helps confirm trends and filter out weak signals, then this is one you might want to add to your trading arsenal. Okay, now this is the RMI Trend Sniper indicator. Okay, it is designed to help traders identify and confirm strong market trends. It builds on the concept of the relative momentum index. Okay, the relative momentum index, which is RMI for short, and it incorporates trend following mechanics to provide clearer entry and exit signals. Okay, so unlike the regular momentum indicators that can be too sensitive to price fluctuations, the RMI Trend Sniper smooths out the noise. Okay, so that allows traders to focus on only the most reliable trend opportunities. Now, it doesn't mean that this indicator guarantees profit. Okay, there is no indicator out there that guarantees profit, but this indicator tries to tries to limit the chances of generating false signals. Now we can see that the indicator gives signals with two with two signs. The first sign is the color of the line, right? The color of the moving average. When the color changes to blue, there you have a buy signal. All right, and then you will usually notice this green sign appear below the candlestick. So when the color changes to blue alongside this green sign below the candlesticks, there you have a buy signal. So you can consider entering a buy trade upon confirmation. When you get perhaps a bullish candlestick pattern confirming this signal, you can go ahead to enter a buy trade. Perhaps you can enter, let's say you enter a buy trade around here, set your stop loss below the swing low, all right? And then for your take profit, you can target resistance zones. You can target resistance zone for your take profit. Okay, so if you enter a buy, ensure that you set your stop loss below the previous swing low, and then your take profit can be around resistance zones. Or if you want a particular signal to determine your exit, then you can wait for the color of this moving average, this RMI Trend Sniper moving average, to change to red. So once the indicator changes to red, then you can manually exit your buy trade. But if you want a more automated exit, which means just set a take profit and and leave the charts, you can set to take profit at resistance zones. So this is a resistance zone. I just identified this as a resistance zone. So if you wanted to just set a predefined exit position, then you can use resistance zones for your exits. All right, or you can decide to wait for a sell signal to appear. And remember that a sell signal is going to be when the indicator changes to red and you have the red sign, this red sign appear above the candlesticks. Okay, so it's quite easy. Okay, the red sign appearing above the candlesticks and the indicator changing to red is a sell signal, but ensure that price breaks below it. Okay, do not rush to enter a sell until you have price break below the moving average. Okay, you can see this is an example. We had a sell signal here because there was the appearance of this red sign above, and then the candlestick broke below the the moving average, the RMI Trend Sniper moving average. So you can see that the candle closed below it, so, and this appeared on top, so that was a good time to enter a sell. So if you had entered a sell, probably you would have been considering setting your stop loss above the swing high, yeah, just above the previous swing high, and then your take profit can be at support levels. Okay, so that is one of the ways to set your take profit. Or you can decide to wait for the price, you can decide to wait for the indicator to change color to blue. So now I just gave you two possible ways of exiting your trade. You can either use support levels and resistance levels, or you can wait for the opposing signal to appear before you exit. Okay, so those are the two ways that you can consider exiting. All right, you can also use other indicators for confirmation. Now, the RMI Trend Sniper is designed to help traders identify and confirm strong market trends. Okay, and unlike regular momentum indicators that can be too sensitive to price fluctuations, we can see that the RMI Trend Sniper smooths out the noise, and as a result of that, traders can focus on more reliable trend opportunities. Okay, now let us talk about will I call it the key characteristics of this indicator. One is that it can help you to confirm trend. You can see I just showed you two examples now of one example was a buy trend, an example for a buy trade, and another example for a sell trade. And if you notice, the risk to reward ratios were quite good. You can see this particular one, the risk to reward ratio is about 1 to 3.49, and this one is about 1 to 1.95. So this one is almost 1.2, and this one is above 1.3. All right, so ensure that you always have good risk to reward ratios when you want to enter a trade. Okay, when you get a signal from the RMI Trend Sniper, do not just jump into the trade. First of all, get a confirmation first, right? Once you get your confirmation, then you can ensure. Once you get your confirmation, then you can ensure that your risk to reward ratio is good before you proceed to entering that trade. All right, so this indicator helps you to get trend confirmation and to filter out weak signals. All right, and then the indicator can suggest for potential trade entry points. You can see that when this appears, it shows that it's possibly a good time to sell. Whenever this appears, it shows that it's possibly a good time to sell. And then whenever this appears, it shows that it's possibly a good time to buy. So it even gives you buy and sell signals. All right, so when using this indicator, it is best to actually combine it with other confluences. All right, like you can decide to add other indicators, just for the purpose of confirmation, maybe like moving averages, price action, support and resistance levels, just to ensure that you get confirmation for your trades. Never rely on just one indicator alone. Okay, so there you have it. The RMI Trend Sniper is an amazing tool for trend confirmation and filtering out market noise. Whether you're trading Forex, stocks, or crypto, this indicator can help you make more informed decisions. So let me know in the comments below if you've used the RMI Trend Sniper before, or if you plan to try it out. Also, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another trading video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy trading.